If you're new, welcome to my channel. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Today we are going to get our nails done. I'm gonna refill these and get my toes done. I'm gonna steam my hair to prep for my locks. But I'm not doing my locks today, I'm doing the nails and steaming my hair today. This is gonna be a collective vlog, a very fun vlog this week. And as usual, I'm gonna take you guys along.
Look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out with me.
So I'm finally home. This is what my hair is looking like. It just steamed, not much, not too major. It's steamed to protect my hair when it's locked, because it's gonna be locked for a while. And you'll see why soon. Today is Friday and I have my hair appointment today. And we're gonna do locks. I'm gonna get my bow because the bow trend can't miss me, right? Right. So as usual, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me.
For you, I do that 3 but I'm 16, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it.
Just a quick check-in. So my hair is hairy and I got the bow and I feel like it looks so cute. Super cute. And I got a pink to go with my pink swimsuit for Mayhem. Yeah, I think Mayhem would be the next clip after this one. But babes, talk to my boy. Very nice. Well, all the maintenance is done. Pink nails, pink bow, pink outfit. Period. I'm so excited. I hope everything goes well. I hope we get there safely, get home safely. I hope very fullment of enjoyment. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey guys, so it is finally Sunday and it's Mayhem's time. I'm fully cold, really, kind of, because we are getting some stuff into like drinks and stuff to like drink on the way. You know, to next snap, so we're sending it to Airbnb, some last week stuff. And then we're gonna get there. And our outfit is so cute, I can't wait to show you guys. So we're gonna grab some snacks. So we are in downtown Margarita. I'm just go grab some stuff. Like, as you can see, like the edges aren't really edgy because when I have the waxing thing, so I'm going to get that. Yeah, and so I'm gonna finish up at the Airbnb. Right. So we got these. Hey guys, so we are now at the Airbnb, and as you can see, the outfit is giving. I wanted to clean up my edges. That's what I want. So that's what I'm going to do.
So
this is the full outfit, yeah, and I'm rocking it with this gray top. We're gonna home and I carry my like something in here, my feel like really good. Yeah, so this is it. have the Airbnb and it has a beach. And the water is so nice. Oh my god.
She was a fairy. When the water's so blue,
So blue.
It's really nice here. It's a nice chill Airbnb spot on the beach. On the beach, right? But they have a restaurant here, but it's currently out of service, right? So we're trying to get breakfast somewhere else, and then we hit Chili Pops and then Margarita Ville Beach. So yeah, that's the vibe. Pizza plate. Well, there is a patty shop. So let's look at patty or something. So we're at this one, and letting sell food. So the chicken, the restaurant looking place, I'm not ready yet. And we just know to have patty available, so let's try to check somewhere else to see if we can get something else. But there's this restaurant with some breadfruits, so I feel like doing that. I'm not ready though.
Very nice here with pumpkin, and we have some salad with roast bread. So we have.
Wait, wait, wait.
So one like this, salad with roast bread. I want one of them. No, but that's want to go to the box, man? No black. Cause at that we have 5 girls. No black.
Keeping someone's mind.
So we do it. I wanna go. Either hold him good in the baby. Look this. There, so blossom. Do the movement. See them there, we don't want to eat them. See me as next? Blossom from the palm tree. Take out them. Are you a what?
No, okay.
Alright. One, not that man.
Alright.
No, I want more? But me give more, man. Breadfruit there, no baby. I breadfruit teacher and everything, I know, man. A breadfruit person there, I can't get a man that. Yes, man, and the man come on, already. Breadfruit tree.
My son's dad, he can put the job on me.
Alright. You got some black boy again.
Yeah, that's how your white boy started.
No, he said 8 Muslim.
You have a bigger son than that youth there, you know?
Yeah, one bigger one.
You have a 21-year-old. You want more, boss? Huh? You want more?
So that's all.
Alright.
My son contacted me, you know.
You don't want to touch the box, you have a black one. Hold him good. Alright, knock him up here.
Alright, fine. So these are what we got from patty, food punch, some ital food, breadfruits, and macaroni.
1, 2.
Breadfruits and kalaloo and soup. Yeah, that's the vibe. So then we come down. Now we're lobster we eat it, you know. So we left the Airbnb and we're gonna get chili pops. Yeah, I've seen it all over Instagram, so I wanted to
Which one is this one?
I like watermelon.
Durham Sakura Punch.
I'm sick of. A pina colada one look like this?
We don't have a pina colada on display.
Oh.
It's made to order.
No, she don't have it on display.
Pina colada. And this is what again? Oreo dipped in chocolate. I'm gonna pick up the umbrella.
Yo, DJ Smasher.